ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra is here, packed with a stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED display, a powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, and a camera setup that will blow your mind. Stay tuned to see why this might just be the best phone of 2024. Let's dive in. Let's start with the design and build quality of the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra. Measuring 164 x 76.4 by 8.8 mm and weighing in at 246 grams, this phone is both sleek and robust. The device features a glass front and back, framed by aluminum, giving it a premium feel. It's not just about looks, though. The Z60 Ultra is built to last with an IP68 rating, meaning it's dust and water resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. This combination of style and durability ensures that the Z60 Ultra stands out in any crowd and withstands the rigors of daily use. Moving on to the display. The ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra boasts a 6.8-inch AMOLED screen with 1 billion colors. This display supports a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10, and reaches up to 1500 nits peak brightness, ensuring vibrant colors and smooth visuals whether you are gaming or streaming. The 1116x2480 pixel resolution provides sharp, detailed images, making every interaction with your phone a visual delight. With an impressive 89.1% screen-to-body ratio, the Z60 Ultra offers an immersive viewing experience that's perfect for multimedia consumption. The ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, featuring an octa-core CPU configuration that includes a 3.4 GHz Cortex-X4, 3.2 GHz Cortex-A720, and 2.3 GHz Cortex-A520 cores. Paired with the Adreno 750 GPU, this setup ensures top-tier performance for gaming, multitasking, and intensive applications. Running on Android 14 with iOS 14, the software experience is both smooth and customizable, allowing users to tailor their phone to their personal preferences. Camera enthusiasts will be thrilled with the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra's triple camera setup. It includes a 50MP main sensor with an f1.6 aperture, PDAF, laser AF, and OIS for stunning, stable shots. The 64MP periscope telephoto lens offers 3.3x optical zoom and OIS, while the 50MP ultrawide lens captures expansive shots with its 100 degrees field of view. Whether you are shooting in 8K at 30 frames per second or 4K at 120 frames per second, the video capabilities are just as impressive, ensuring you capture every moment in extraordinary detail. For selfies, the under-display camera offers either 12MP for the international model or 16MP for the China model, ensuring you look your best in every shot. Battery life is crucial, and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra doesn't disappoint with its 6000 mAh battery. This large battery ensures you get through the day with power to spare. When it's time to recharge, the 80W wired charging, along with PD 3.0 and QC4 support, ensures you can get back to full power quickly and efficiently. This combination of battery capacity and fast charging makes the Z60 Ultra a reliable companion for heavy users and those always on the go. The ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra is equipped with the latest connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC. The device also supports a wide range of positioning systems such as GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and BDS, ensuring accurate and reliable navigation. For audio, the Z60 Ultra features stereo speakers and supports 24-bit 192kHz high-res audio and Snapdragon sound. Whether you are listening to music, watching videos, or making calls, you can expect crystal clear sound quality. When it comes to storage, the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra offers several configurations, ranging from 256GB with 8GB of RAM to a massive 1TB with 24GB of RAM. With UFS 4.0 storage, you'll experience blazing fast read and write speeds, perfect for handling large files and demanding applications. For security, the phone features an under-display fingerprint sensor, ensuring your data is protected while providing easy and convenient access. The ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra is more than just a smartphone, it's a powerhouse of innovation and performance. From its stunning display and exceptional camera capabilities to its robust build and cutting-edge connectivity, this device is designed to meet the needs of even the most demanding users. If you are looking for a phone that delivers on all fronts and sets a new standard for what a smartphone can be, the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra is the one to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech content. Thanks for watching.